everybody, it's Strykar, and first things first, I'm going to start by pinning back my hair to get it out of my face, just like any tutorial. And I'm going to prime my face with this Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water just because it's light and will help the makeup stay as long as you need. And with my Glamouflage Concealer, I'm going to take this and start to cover up my eyebrows, and this is just to basically give me a white base throughout my eyebrow hairs and around my eye. This will also help ensure that the paint sticks a little bit longer since you have a plain base to work with. Now, my mom snagged this face paint for me from Spirit. I don't know if you have a Spirit Halloween store near you, but I'm going to start with the little black pencil that's in this packet, and I'm going to fill in my eyebrows in a way. I'm really just lining the top and then going over with my Sephora liquid liner. Next, I'm going into my Morphe 35O palette, and I'm taking some nude shades, and I'm just going to basically cover my eye in a few different colors. And at the end of this, I want to give an overall sad mime type vibe, so I figured I would do my eyes a little bit darker. Now taking the white face paint with my beauty blender, and I'm going to put it all over my face basically. Eventually, I'll start to take my beauty blender over top of my eyeshadow, and I feel like this will just give my eyes a dark hue to really make me look sad. With a makeup remover wipe, I'm going to start to clean up my edges to really make it look like I have a mask on. I think this is giving it a cleaner, sharper look. Alternating between the black paint and my Sephora liquid liner, I'm going to start to draw a shape around my eye. And this all just came to mind at once. I don't know what I was going for here, but you could do whatever shape you want. I accidentally smacked my nose with my brush, so that's what that's from, but I ended up leaving it. I don't know where this idea came from, but I thought it would just be cool to line the mask to really make it look 3D. And I'm using my Lancome black pencil. I made my teardrop an eensy bit too big. I wanted it a little smaller, but I just had to work with what I did. You could always take it off, or recover it with the white makeup, but I just left it there and went with it. And now I'm adding some false lashes and mascara to give a little glam to the look. And I am using a red matte for my lips.